Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Sarita Cooks and Vlogs. Diwali festival is around the corner friends. Everybody is busy with making different kind of sweets. Today I am going to make authentic Maharashtrian Puran Poli recipe easy way at home. So let's get started. Here I am taking around 2 glass of chana dal, around 1 kg. First of all, we need to wash chana dal with cold water nicely. Add chana dal in instant pot followed by 2 glass of water. Keep the instant pot on pressure cook mode for 2 minutes. Now we will make atta or chapati dough for Puran Poli. In one big bowl, add 2 teaspoons of salt in 1 glass of water, followed by 2 cups of wheat flour or gehu ka atta. Add around half tablespoon of oil. Now mix it all together and make a soft dough or atta like chapati dough. Now you can see our soft roti dough is ready. Now we will prepare Puranachi Amti or spicy chana dal. For spicy chana dal, ingredients we need: onion, dry coconut, ginger, garlic cloves, coriander and curry leaves. Cumin seeds and salt for taste. You can see after 2 minutes of pressure cook in instant pot, our chana dal cooked very nicely and soft. Now remove extra water from dal with help of strainer. We can use this water for spicy amti or spicy dal. Keep some dal for amti. Now add some jaggery cubes in cooked warm dal so it will melt easily. Keep the bowl in microwave oven for 1 minute. Now take out the dal from microwave oven. Mix it nicely. I added around 2 tablespoons of sugar in it, mixed it well, and again I am keeping the bowl in microwave oven for next 1 minute. Now let the dal cool down till the time we will make masala for amti or spicy dal. You can see our oil is hot now. I'm going to add now onions. Fry the chopped onions nicely till brown color. Now I am adding coconut slice, dry coconut slice. It will increase the taste. Now I am adding garlic cloves and ginger slice. Fry it nicely. Coriander leaves. This smoky flavor masala definitely increase the taste of spicy dal or purnachi amti. Let the masala cool down now. After cooling down, we need to grind the all mixture with dal. Now we will give tadka to the dal or spicy amti, purnachi amti. So let's get started. First of all, in hot oil, we will add 1 teaspoon of jeera, curry leaves, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, some coriander powder and cumin powder. Mix it well. Saute the mixture. Now add our grind masala. Saute nicely. I added around 1 tablespoon of oil. Add water. Mix it well and boil the mixture around 10 to 15 minutes nicely. Our purnachi amti is ready now. I hope you all will definitely like this amti recipe. After 3 minutes cook, our dal is little bit thickened. After 5 minutes cook in microwave, our dal is nicely cooked and little bit more thickened. We will stain the dal. If you don't have puran machine, this trick will more useful for you. Now our soft puran is ready. Let's start rolling the puran poli now. First of all, take the small portion of atta dough or chapati dough, make a bowl shape and fill with puran, sweet dal and close it nicely. Make like a ball shape and then little press it and make a patty. Now we have to roll this patty as a puran poli. If you are making first time puran poli, please use extra dry flour. It will help to roll chapati or puran poli easily. Now heat the pan on medium flame Place the puran poli on heated pan. Now you can see our puran poli is little bit fluffy. You can place little bit oil or little bit ghee on it. Our fluffy puran poli is ready to eat now. Let's make some potato bhaji. For batata bhaji, we need gram flour, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and salt. We will add little bit oil and water and we will mix it nicely. Now dip all the slices in batter. Now slowly place one potato slice in a hot oil and fry it nicely. Our potato pakoda or batata bhaji is ready to eat now. You can see our authentic Maharashtrian style Puranachi poli, Puran poli ready to eat now with Puranachi amti, milk and potato bhaji. I hope you will definitely like this recipe. Please like, subscribe and share my channel with friends and family. Sarita Cooks and Vlogs.